I am Karina Epperly. I am the channel creator. I hope that you are enjoying the videos that I have created. I have been in continuous improvement Lean Six Sigma since 1996. I started at Intel as a contractor consultant through a company called Nikon Precision, which installed steppers and scanners, which are Nikon steppers and scanners. And I was in photolithography for over 13 and a half years. I have had lots of experience in automation, continuous improvement, and Six Sigma. And I am bringing that knowledge base to you. I hope that you enjoy these videos and that you continue to reach out to voice your opinions. And I realize that some of you do not like the content of the current videos. I actually do like them, and I like the old ones not so much. But if you do prefer the old style, I will continue to make a few of those. I plan to keep this channel active for a long time, and so it will continue to evolve as I do, and I will bring you such topics as diagnostic testing, preventative maintenance, reliability-centered maintenance, TPM topics, strategic implementation of sensors and automatic feedback loop systems, as well as Six Sigma and statistics. I don't want to limit my ability of providing videos to you by just focusing on one topic, because when I go into a plant, I do not just look at one thing. I let the plant speak to me. For example, I will walk on a line and I will assess automatically what state they are in. What does the lubrication, what do the bearings look like? What do the motors look like? Do I see any pitting? Do I see any corrosion? Do I see anything that is out of place? Do I see a lot of contamination? Do I see any sanitation issues? What is it that's going on at this particular plant? Is it the operators need more training? Is it that we are at advanced state and we need some diagnostic tools? What is it exactly do we need? And I use the PF curve in helping my assessment and listening to the bearings and touching the bearings for vibration, listening for what could be going wrong. As I walk, for example, as I walk down a particular line, I may hear abnormal noises and use my five senses initially to understand what is going on. And then I record the sound using my phone to run that through an AI system that is capable of creating the frequency and waveforms. So I have a well-rounded experience, having been in semiconductors, having been in pharmaceutical, medical devices, automotive, food, and corrugate, as well as a few other companies. And I was a consultant for 10 years, which allowed me to have this vast body of knowledge and experience that others who haven't been in automotive, I'm not in automotive, but have not been in consulting as much as I was. I have led teams internationally. I have had large teams of engineers reporting into me, and then working with them to either develop their skill sets or to help identify the projects that they would be working on. So I have a lot of experience in those areas. I plan to bring a lot of that to this channel and to hopefully help you where you may want to increase your skill set. I am very happy that I've had these opportunities, and I look forward to bringing these videos to you. I will play around with the video content and the video format. I haven't been sold on exactly what I want to offer yet because there's so much to offer. I have done everything from continuous improvement to reliability-centered maintenance, to diagnostic testing, to Six Sigma, continuous improvement, and working with sensors and automation to programming. So there is quite a lot that I can bring and deliver to you. And I look forward to that opportunity. I hope that you will enjoy my videos, that you will reach out, that if there is a topic that I have not delivered, please look. YouTube is huge, and there is a lot of us out here who want to provide this information to you. And if you are a content creator, please enjoy making those videos for the rest of us as well. I enjoy creating videos, and I also enjoy watching them. So I hope you will stay tuned and will enjoy what I have currently to offer. And I wish you all the very best of luck.